what's up everybody? I'm Kara from Ozark Overland Adventures, and this is my new 2026 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon X in purple rain, and it's all his fault.
It actually kind of is. This was never on our radar.
Very spontaneous.
Never on our radar. We've been
you
talking.
wearing purple shirt today.
That was not planned either.
Yeah, wasn't planned.
Purple's just my favorite color. But getting a brand new Jeep was never in.
Not on our bingo.
Not on our bingo card. We've been telling you for a long time now that with the purchase of our Ross Monster, one of the pink Jeeps was going to have to go.
Yeah.
We knew that, and we knew that was also going to be a very difficult decision.
Yeah,
of which one.
It was always a post-rally problem.
Yeah,
well,
that was a post-rally problem. It is post-rally, and the problem kind of just solved itself.
Yeah, so we got back from our adventures out west and the rally, and we pulled into the dealership to pick up Sully, who's been getting some attention, and this was sitting on the lot, and I just casually leaned over and I said, okay, that's purple. It's 4-door.
It's my fault because I woke her up that morning saying, babe, we gotta go get Sully.
Yeah.
And she said,
5 more minutes.
my daughter's home, let her take you. And I knew that after sitting on the lot for 5-6 weeks,
yeah,
that the battery was probably gonna be dead, and might need some assistance with jumping Sully, that sort of thing. And I was like, no, babe, I need you to take me in Poppy.
Yep.
And
he did.
And we did. And then she saw this on the lot, yeah, and said, hey, can we go check it out? I was like, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Well,
we did. And the salesman came around and was like, introduced his name, and I immediately said, can you go give me the keys?
She's not a good person to vehicle shop with.
I want to see inside.
She lets her excitement level be known.
Well, before you come out there, like I said, I had looked and I knew that it was kind of like an extreme recon package, which is what Boo was, but this is called the X version. And then like as soon as I started peeking in the window, because there wasn't a window sticker on it, I saw it had heated seats. I saw it had adaptive cruise control. I saw it had the aux buttons. I was really excited.
Had everything you wanted.
That I knew of. We didn't know anything else.
Yeah. So we made the decision that the goal was to downsize from 3 Jeeps to 2. And Kara fell in love with this one, so we made the decision to get rid of both pink Jeeps. No more 23 Gladiator, no more 21 Wrangler, and get a brand new 2026 Wrangler Rubicon X. And the X means that it comes with pretty much all the options that you could get on a Rubicon.
It's actually more options than what you wanted.
It is, but it comes with the steel bumper group. It comes with the painted flares and the hardtop, which we love that on the Wrangler. These are so much easier to clean than the black ones. Mm-hmm. Comes with 35-inch tires. It comes with a 1.5 to 2 inch lift from the factory over the standard Rubicon. It does come re-geared with 4, 5, 6 gears.
Reinforced tailgate.
It comes with the tailgate reinforcement. This, being a 2026 Rubicon, has the full float rear axle, which we've never had an issue with our rear axles in any of our Jeeps, but knowing that
an upgrade is an upgrade.
An upgrade is an upgrade. Yeah, so super pumped about that. And it's got every creature comfort inside. Leather, heated, power seats, which is weird in a Wrangler.
Yeah.
That's
adaptive
weird.
Cruise control.
Which I hate, and you love.
I love.
Yeah, we did get this with the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine and the 8-speed automatic transmission.
I will say also, whenever we were driving and we saw it, he said, you want to trade in both pink Jeeps? And I was like, maybe. And I think that's what's kind of started getting the wheels going a little bit.
It did.
I loved both of the pink Jeeps, do not get me wrong. They were both super capable. The Gladiator stepped up and I was able to build it and do everything I wanted to. It turned it pink. It was so much fun and one of a kind, absolutely. Boo was hard. Boo
is the emotional one.
Yeah, yeah.
Boo is the emotional one.
Yeah, and I'll try to say this without getting emotional. Vehicles, they're vehicles, yes. But gosh, they get you through some things. They
do.
They carry you through. For me, she saw me through 2 rallies. She was the 3rd teammate. During the rally, they talk to you that there's 3 teammates involved: the driver, navigator, and then your vehicle. And we wheeled it hard. And I built that Jeep for Pritchett. So she's proven to be a good rock crawler. Then she was transitioned into a rally rig.
She was a good overlander too, because
Yeah,
you had a rooftop tent on her for a while.
And I took her to Overland the Red and set it all up at the tent. And yeah, that was hard.
Yeah, she had 98,000 miles when we traded her in. We never had any issues with that Jeep.
I had just replaced the sway bar and some of the ball joints, the factory things.
Yeah, just normal maintenance stuff.
Yeah, but just right before this last rally.
Yeah.
It was fresh. And so that knowing what we have done in both the one rally and Pritchett and all the off-road and wheeling, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, Maris, we did, you know,
ran all the hard trails of Maris.
Yeah.
All right. So this already comes with 35-inch tires. It's re-geared. It's got this is the only thing we need to do is add a winch plate and a winch on the front bumper, and this thing's ready to wheel.
I mean, bone stock is a class for the rally.
what are your initial plans for this and long-term goals?
Well, I don't want to promise anything because that tends to come back on me.
It does.
Because I'm pretty sure I said I was going to keep Boo bone stock, and that lasted a whole month.
Because Boo was an XR with 35s and re-geared and all that sort of stuff.
Everything I needed until they were like, "You want a tent?" I do.
We're not putting a tent on this.
Nope. I look at this Jeep, which, by the way, her name is Wren, like the bird Wren. Yeah, so I know that this is super capable. Is it the build that I intend to go for? Maybe a little bit further down the line, we add a lift. We put 37-inch Milestar tires. Right now it comes with the BFGs, which they're great tires. They're just not my tire. My tire is Milestar. It's hard. It's hard.
It's hard.
But it is, I mean, it drives very well.
We're going to keep it very simple. I mean, when we lift it, it'll be a 3.5-inch Clayton lift, 37-inch Milestar XTs. Probably we'll have to get different wheels, maybe. Not sure yet.
Black Rhino Kelsos.
Some Black Rhino Kelsos.
Because, I mean, these are things.
And that's really it. We are not building out the inside. We're not doing seat deletes. We're not doing drawers in the back. We're not doing any of that stuff. It'll be a very simple build. But we have already done three key upgrades to this.
It's an essential vehicle.
We knew. I mean, any new Jeep is going to get these things.
New Jeep or new vehicle.
Any new vehicle period is going to get these things. So let me break it down for you. For us, the three top things to address were safety, security, accessory, phone mount, communication mount stuff, and storage, because it's a Wrangler. It doesn't have a lot of storage options in here. So those were our top three things to address. For the safety and security, a dash cam was an absolute necessity. We have 70 mi dash cams in all of our Jeeps, or did have them in all of our Jeeps. We've still got them in Sully, and these things have proven to be fantastic dash cams. This one is their brand new 4K T800, and it is the world's first 3-channel dual 4K dash cam. This has a 4K front camera, a 4K rear camera, and a 1080p interior cabin camera. So 3 channels, 3 cameras recording simultaneously. With that internal camera, I mean, imagine being able to see what a valet does, or maybe even a teenager does when they're driving, when they're out driving around. Having that peace of mind and that security is pretty awesome. It does have the Starvis 2 IMX 678 sensors, which gives it incredible detail and clarity. It's got 70 mi night owl vision, which ensures perfect exposure and clarity at night. The night vision, the night recording in these things are great. This one in particular was important because it does have parking surveillance. So we can leave this parked at a shopping center or a trailhead, national park places, and it's going to monitor the outside, front, back, and the inside while we're away. So that's awesome. I do want to thank 70 Mi for sending this. They sent this to us before we even knew we were getting this Jeep. So the timing just worked out impeccable to be able to put the brand new T800 in the new Jeep. At the time this video is coming out, it is before Black Friday. 70 Mi is having an incredible Black Friday sale. and site-wide up to 40% off. Both the T800, which we have in here, and the 4K Omni, which I have in Sully, both of those are significantly reduced. The T800 will be $299.99, regularly $399.99, and the 4K Omni will be $259.99, regularly $339.99. So significant savings there. Links and all the details are in the description. Go check those out. Thank you, 70mi, for sending this to us. And then for our phone mounts and our communications mounts, for us being YouTubers, GoPro mounts, we had to have the Anvil Overland dash bar. We've got these, also had these in all of our Jeeps. This is the new design for the new interior setup. But I mean, these things are great. Mag mounts for your phones, GoPro mounts, all kinds of accessory mounts, light switch mounts. We're using the portable radio mount here. This is Kara's, the Midland handheld is what she's going to use for comms in here. We're not going to install a micro mobile radio in here just yet. We're going to go with this just to keep things simple. Passenger side phone mount over there, but the Anvil Overland dash bar is really the best dash bar on the market, and they have so many accessories for like Garmin inReaches, light switch mounts, all kind, just so many accessories for the Anvil Overland dash bar. And then for storage, the only real storage pocket you have back here is this little cubby, which has an air hose and this little recovery bag here from Jeep, which is kind of funny. But that's it. That's all the little storage cubbies you have. So we took the X-Cargo Magellan bags out of Boo and put them in here in Wren. So this makes an easy to access space for, let's see what we got here. Tire repair kit, bottle jack in this one, recovery gear in this one, tree straps, toe straps, soft shackles, all that sort of stuff in there. Because when you have gear back here, the last thing you want to have to do is dig stuff out to have to access what's in there. So this, you can't really see out this section of the rear anyway. So these X-Cargo bags make for just a fantastic storage solution in a spot that's pretty much unused anyway. I did forget, one of the things this Jeep does come with is an air compressor here in the tailgate. It is a single hose air compressor. It is a single hose air compressor, but with the cool monitor here. But I thought it was probably tucked in here somewhere. It's not. There's the air compressor right there in the spare tire carrier, which is kind of a unique place to put it. So yeah, the Jeep did come with an air compressor. We do have a couple other things that are coming. We don't have them yet, but we are putting the chromoly panel up in the center console. That's a great place to, from Epic Adventure Outfitters. That's a great place to put molly bags and just quick access stuff up there. Yeah, and we've also tried out that air compressor that you said was in the back. Not so sure that it's going to work out. Very fast. Yeah, so we're going to see if we can possibly refit the Kraken. Yeah, we did take the ARB Twin and Kraken system out of Boo. Yep. Out of Boo. And we'll see if they'll fit under the new power seats. We're not sure if it fits or not. Yeah. Well, we'll find out for you, so that way when you get this, you can know the Kraken I think they probably redesigned the Kraken for the new seats, but I'm not sure yet. It's the weirdest thing about this Jeep is that it has power seats. That's crazy in a Wrangler or Gladiator. And the dash, the nice dash. It does have, the dash is nice, but I think the power seats are just weird. Yeah, well, before we do the Kraken, this will not see deep water like Sully does. No. Well, none of my Jeeps see deep water like Sully does. But Sully's never had water on the inside, so there's that. Yeah, it would have been fine. If I do have to come up against those issues, I won't have carpet because I'm possibly wanting to add the Armor Lights. You do love the Armor Light floors. It's just so easy to hose it out. It is. But anyway. This is Wren. This is Wren. We do very much love Wren, and Wren made our decision a little easier of which Jeep to get rid of. And honestly, just got both of them for a brand new one. 2 payments, one payment. 2 payments. Now we got 1 payment. 2 insurances, 1 insurance. Yep. It does make sense. It made it easier. Yeah. So anyway, if you have any questions about Wren, let us know in the comments. We would be happy to answer them.
I'll probably be answering those since it's my Jeep.
That's right, you will. I don't know nothing. But thanks so much for watching. We just wanted to introduce Ren to you. This is the beginning of the next chapter for us for full-time travel. And Kara needed her own Jeep because she likes to wheel, she likes to drive. Obviously, I've got mine because I like to wheel and I like to drive. And
I'm excited
we're going to go have some amazing adventures together.
Yeah, it's the next step in the journey.
It is. So thanks for watching. If you would like, subscribe, give us that YouTube love, check out the Patreon link in the description. And for all of our merchandise, go to shopoverlandapparel.com.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.